In the ever-changing world of nail fashion, few styles remain as timeless and adaptable as dark nail polish. Today, dark nail polish isn't just a trend, it's a way to show off your sophistication, elegance, and a bit of daring. Whether you are getting ready for a special event, expressing your inner rebel, or just loving the allure of darkness, dark nail polish is your buddy. In this video, we'll dive into the realm of modern dark polish, checking out its popularity, easy styling tips, and the range of shades available for you to let your inner dark diva shine. Modern dark nail polish comes in a bunch of captivating colors, each with its own charm. Black nail polish is the ultimate in modern boldness. It's strong, adaptable, and always in fashion. Ideal for a night out or adding some mystery to your everyday style. It's a fantastic choice for fancy events or when you want to feel extra classy. Dark blue nails are both calming and bold. You can go from midnight navy to deep sapphire, making it flexible for various occasions. They are great for a moody and thematic look, especially in the colder months. Alternative to black, making you stand with style. Charcoal gray nails. Charcoal gray nails are stylish and bit unconventional. Getting that perfect look with modern dark nail polish takes a bit of skill. The shape of your nails can change the whole look. Oval and almond shape make elegance, while square or stiletto shapes bring in some edge. Think about your jewelry and outfit when you have dark nails. Silver or metallic accessories can enhance and addedness, while gold or gemstones jewelry can boost the elegance.